This is Yvette Francino from Search Software Quality here with Jean Tabaka. Jean, you've talked a lot about transition to Agile and some of the failures and some of the successes. Tell us, what do you think are the three most important things people that are transitioning to Agile should know?
Oh, well, the transition, first of all, is not short-term, it's long-term, and it takes patience. I mentioned something in the talk today about you have to be willing to let go and be a bit vulnerable. That means that the environment has to be able to be made safe for you to learn. I don't call it failure, I call it learning. So be willing to do it, give it the time to do it, and have a safe place for experimenting and learning where it's not considered a failure to be doing that, but it's more about collecting information and growing to do it. I think that's very important.
Well, we heard about a couple of people who transitioned and met success by stopping and regrouping and maybe doing some refactoring. Do you think that should be maybe a standard practice with people that are transitioning to Agile?
I think the willingness to do what we call stop the line is critical. So they didn't call it that necessarily, although maybe Bill did, but that comes out of lean thinking, that at any time someone can say, no, what we're doing right now is not working. We have to stop the sprint, stop the release, stop the story, whatever, and regroup. In these cases, they were dramatic. They said, stop the entire group and reform our Agile adoption. I think that has to be able to be in the whole mix, the whole recipe of how you do Agile transformation. That you have permission to stop because it will ultimately unfold to the highest good for the team and the organization.
Great. Thanks so much.
Oh, you're welcome.